Beloved friends, I keep on getting many requests from my friends to help them with some good music for meditation, music for dance, music for silent sitting, music for satsang, and so on. It would be a good idea to make a video giving a list of 5 most meditative tracks which I like the most, and I am sure you will also find the same. And the beauty is you can easily find this track on YouTube in a very good quality. So I welcome you for a unique, informative video to know which are the most 5 beautiful meditative tracks for meditation. There will be many video in this section. The first video I am dedicating it to Indian bamboo flute music tracks. Friends, the first artist in this section is Shastro. He is a multi-talented musician, artist, and a meditation facilitator. I have to spend an hour to tell you about him. In short, he is a disciple of beloved master Osho and has contributed immensely to make meditative music for spiritual growth. Let's talk about the track. The first track in this section is in the name of Doorway to Silence by Shastro and Purna. You can search this track on YouTube in the name of Doorway to Silence by Shastro and Purna. The second track is also from the same artist, Shastro. The name of the track is Namaste Music, Flute Meditation. It's a 20-minute soulful track on bamboo flute. The third artist in this section is very close to my heart. His name is Rakesh Chaurasia, who is a nephew of legendary musician Hariprasad Chaurasia. Friends, he is an amazing personality, full of melody. So, the third track is Morning Bliss. You can easily find it on YouTube. The name of the album is Morning, Afternoon and Evening Meditation Music. The fourth track is also from the same artist Rakesh Chaurasia from the same album. The name of the track is Om. The fifth track is from a young hidden gem, Manose Singh, who is from Nepal. He is a very meditative flute player. Listening to him is a divine experience. The name of the track is O Todo Divino, feat. Prajna, Jay and Manose, from the album Yoga Soundtrack. This track is very close to my heart. I have used this track so many times in meditation camps. So beloveds, the next video I'll be uploading is 7 dance tracks so you can celebrate dancing. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.